Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to prevent Facebook from accessing your photos and videos on your phone. If you value your privacy or simply want more control over what Facebook can see, these easy steps will help you take charge of your data. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is the main hub where you control what apps can do on your device. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or it might be labeled App Management depending on your phone model. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, find the Facebook app in that list. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top if you have many apps. Once you spot Facebook, tap on it to open the app's settings. Inside the Facebook app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. This is where you decide what features and data Facebook can access on your phone. Tap Permissions to continue. Here you'll see a list of all the types of information Facebook might want to use, like your camera, contacts, and of course, photos and videos. Tap on Photos and Videos to see the current permission status. To block Facebook from accessing your photos and videos, select Don't Allow or turn off the slider next to Photos and Videos. This action immediately prevents Facebook from browsing, uploading, or saving any images or videos from your device, unless you manually change the setting back in the future. That's it. You've now stopped Facebook from accessing your personal photos and videos. Remember, if you ever want to upload a picture or video directly from your gallery, you'll need to temporarily allow access again. But for everyday privacy, keeping this permission off is a smart move. Thanks for following along. For more privacy tips and easy tech guides, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Stay safe and in control of your data.